Ladies and gentlemen, I just bought this interesting kit. I feel curious about what is in the box. Maybe it's something bad, or maybe it's something good. Maybe it's something common, or maybe it's something we're both waiting for. But I believe we will find out soon enough. Let's check it out.
This model kit is published by Bandai DC in the year of 2022. The price of the model kit was around 6,374 Japan yen. Some local online platforms selling it for prices range from 130 ringgit to 200 ringgit plus. The model kit includes 3 runners with 4 rubber tires and a separate top section for the car. It does not come with the water decal and stickers.
That's all for today's sharing. If you found this video useful, please help click like, subscribe and share the video. Leave a comment below to tell us what you think about these wonderful kits. Thank you very much.
Yeah. I'm Batman.